Hello students, let us understand this question. If iota square is equal to -1, then find the value of summation n is equal to 1 to 200 iota to the power n. So given is, let me write down the given is iota square is equal to -1. To find summation n is equal to 1 to 200 iota to the power n. Okay, so what I have to prove, I will take that term only and solve it further. So summation n is equal to 1 to 200 iota to the power n means first मैं n की वैल्यू क्यों लूंगी 1, तो क्या बन जाएगा iota. देन मैं iota की n की वैल्यू 2 लूंगी तो इट विल बी iota स्क्वायर. व्हेन n इज इक्वल टू 3 iota क्यूब. व्हेन n इज इक्वल टू 4 इट विल बी iota टू द पावर 4. सो ऑन. लास्ट टर्म क्या है 200, सो इट इज iota टू द पावर 200. और मैंने प्लस क्यों लगाया है, क्योंकि मुझे इनका सम फाइंड करना है. सो आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट इट्स सम. If you see this expression is a GP. GP कब कहते हैं? GP is a geometric progression which has common ratio. Geometric progression which have a common ratio. What does it mean? That means R2 divided by R1. So if I divide R2 divided by R1, that is iota square by iota, it will give me iota. If I say iota cube divided by iota square, it is iota. Iota to the power 4 divided by iota cube is iota. So पूरे expression में हमें same common ratio मिलेगा which is known as R. So therefore it's a geometric progression. A, which is first term, is equal to iota. R, which is common ratio, which is A2, यहाँ पर भी लिखो A2 divided by second term divided by the first term. A2 divided by A1 which is equal to iota square divided by iota which is equal to 1. And sum of geometric progression is A 1 minus Rn upon 1 minus R when R is less than 1. तो अभी R क्या है? Less than 1. iota, ठीक है. Now what we will do is we'll put the values. So यहाँ क्या आ गया? S कितना ले रहे? 200 टर्म का. So यहाँ पर ये भी लिख दो. N is equal to 200. A is iota 1 minus iota to the power 200 upon 1 minus iota. बच्चे हमें गिवन क्या है? iota स्क्वायर. गिवन iota square is equal to -1. ठीक है. Now, what do you say about the iota to the power? Can I say iota square to the power 100? 100 is an even term. So when I take iota square is -1 and this iota square to the power 100 can be written as iota to the power 200. It is -1 to the power 100 which is 1. I am explaining again. Given iota square is -1, हमें iota to the power 200 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी which can be written as iota square to the power 100. Powers will be multiplied and give you 200. Iota square is -1 and -1 to the power 100 is 1 positive. So therefore S200 will be equal to iota 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus iota. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So what is the sum? So summation n is equal to 1 to 200 iota to the power n is 0. So if I see my option, it is option C. If I summarize my result, I have put n is equal to 1, I got iota, plus when I put n is equal to 2, I got iota square, when n is equal to 3, iota cube, so on till iota to the power 200. I saw that this expression, this series is a geometrical progression because it has a same common ratio, which is r, which is equal to a2 divided by a1, which is the second term, second term divided by the r is equal to second term divided by the first term, which is I, throughout the expression. ठीक है, so first term क्या है इसकी I, common ratio भी I है, so sum of n terms of a geometric progression is a 1 minus rn upon 1 minus r. so जब मैंने values put करी a r और n की, मुझे पता चला कि मुझे iota to the power 200 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Iota to the power 200 can be written as iota square to the power 100. Iota square की वैल्यू क्या है? -1. -1 to the power 100 is 1. I substituted and I got summation n is equal to 1 to 200. Iota to the power n is 0, which is option C. So I'll write hence summation n is equal to 1 to 200. Iota to the power n is equal to 0, which is option C. So I hope you have understood this. You have understood this solution. Thank you.